So, welcome back to a new live stream, and yeah, so let me just play some music right now, and then we can start. So, yeah, the first person advanced pack pistol is finished, and yeah, I'm waiting for approval right now from Epic Games. So, how about I'm gonna show you it now? So, also I will publish a showcase video to for the first person advanced pack pistol, and yeah. So yeah, I've already written to some pretty active people on my Discord, so they will get the pack for free, because the pack was a gift for 1,000 followers. So I just wanted to say thank you to the most active people on my channel and on my Discord. So I think that's fine. So here is the first person pistol pack, first person advanced pack pistol. So yeah, you can see I've got a little input thing on the left, a little table here, and then we got our weapons. So let me just get a weapon here, and yeah, so you can see I have a inventory system, pretty simple inventory system, just 2 slots, and yeah, a little widget for it with some icons. Yeah, so you can fire, of course. It's procedural recoil, so you can change your recoil type and your recoil as much as you like with curves and with some variables. So yeah, procedural firing, and also I get on the right the little bullets, the bullet text, how many bullets still remaining in the mag. So yeah, let me just reload. And yeah, of course we got our like in the assault rifle one, we got our cool crosshair, a dynamic crosshair which moves when we're aiming and we're looking around, and which spreads when we're walking and when we're shooting. Let me just get on full screen right now. And we got aiming, the aiming fire. So we got 4 reload animations. We got the normal run and normal one. Then we got wait, let me just like so. We got the empty one, and we got the aiming one. So like so. And we got the aiming empty reload. So let me just yeah. So some reload animations, and yeah, we got some nice attachments here. So we got some we got 1 scope and 2 silencers and some skins. So with Y you can change your attachments randomly, and also your skins. Yeah, so I got a little demo area right here with some targets and with some barrels. Like so. Yeah, so the pack is finished right now, and it will cost $10, I think. So Epic Games is reviewing my pack right now, so I don't know. It will, if there are no errors or some copyright issues, Epic Games, so it will be published in a few days, I think. And also for the I don't know, let me just see, for the 8 people that are the most active on my Discord, they will get the pack for free. So yeah. So that's it for the first person at once pack, and maybe I will also publish it on itch.io, but it will, of course, it will be in the Unreal Engine marketplace. So let's go back to our game, or to my game, and let's go on. So Cold Wind looks good, thank you. In a few days it will be published in the Unreal marketplace, I think. And yeah, so let's go on. First let's see. So here's the car, and I wanted to add some UI for it. So on the top left, so I fixed the first person animation. So now he's moving the steering wheel really good, I think. Yeah, you can see down there that the fingers are not, they're not so close to the wheel, but can change that later. But it's working for now, and also it's working for the other vehicles. Let me just check again. Yeah, it's also working here, and it's also working here. Yeah, but you can see I have 2 steering wheels right now because I have to modify this vehicle. So I have to remove the normal steering wheel from the static mesh, so yeah, I can move the steering wheel separately. Alright, let's start by making our UI. Let's just create a new interface. Let's call it the vehicle HUD, like so. And welcome Southan, what's up? How are you doing? So let's add a canvas. Whoops, a canvas. And let's just randomly start by a dumb question. How do I change the mesh arms in the first person at once pack assault rifle? I made a video on how to change and how to change models. It's called master pose component. Wait, let me just check. It is where is it? Here. The master pose component. So you're not really changing the model, you're just adding a new model and then assigning the so it's tracking the animation from the other skeleton, and then really just it's retargeting it to the other mesh. So it's really simple. So I think I'll just add a text first for the speed. like so. So let's go back into our vehicle, and then let's say when we're processing into our vehicle, we create a widget that will be the vehicle HUD. Like so. And when we unprocess, we will get our HUD, and then we will remove from parent. Like so. And let's hide the character when we're not in the vehicle. And now let's set our text, our speed text. So let's create a binding for get vehicle speed text. So let's get the owning player, I think. Let's say here owning player. Can we get a reference of ourselves? Oh yeah, get player controller. But can I cast from the player controller to my vehicle? No, I don't think so. Let's create a new variable. Like so. And then let's, yeah, here's our little yeah. So let's promote this to a variable, and let's call it the speed in are you going to make a sniper pack in the future? I can, so maybe, but first I want to update the assault rifle one, and then yeah, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe a machine pistol, or yeah, a shotgun or a sniper, I don't know. So maybe I will create a little vote for it in the Discord or under the community tab in my YouTube channel. So let's get the vehicle speed. Let's compile everything. And get speed in kmh. And then let's promote this to a string. And then let's append it. Like so. Let's compile and save, and let's see. Oops. No, it's not. Oh yeah, I forgot to set the reference. So let's set instance editable, expose and spawn, and then let's call this again, and then set the reference to ourselves. Alright, so now it should work. Oh, I have to round it a little bit, but it's working. Okay, so let's round this value. Alright, so now we got a little also when I go into the reverse. Okay, so now we got a little UI. Let's position our little text here. Let's place it like there maybe, and let's remove this append here. And then let's change this to, wait, what? Let's say 100 first, then let's add our binding, and then let's add another text because I want to modify the KMH a little bit. KMH, and let's actually anchor. Let's anchor it. Maybe like so. Let's see. Yeah, it's better, but let's add a horizontal box so the KMH is always at the same the same position. Alright, and now, oops, let's see. It's too much in the corner. Whoa, this music is so chill. So, let's move it more down. Let's add some space between them. Let's add a spacer. Oh, here, size. Compile, and now yeah, I think I like that. That looks good. That looks good to me. By the way, does someone know what's wrong with those two icons down there? I have no idea. They're just everywhere in UE right now, and also in every Unreal Engine game. It's just a bit confusing. So let's start by making our health bar. So I already started with a little minimalistic health bar in the hut, this one here, but it's not functional right now. So let's start percentage. Let's create a binding, get health percent, and then let's also create a reference variable. Let's create a variable for our health, like so. And now let's also create a variable for max health, it's also 100. So get health and get max health. So let's divide this one by this one. No, divide. Oh my god, I forgot. Yeah, divide this one by this one, and then like so. Yeah, that's right, I think. Okay, so let's see when we set our reference. Expose and spawn, extends editable, and self. So I also I want to make a new tutorial in the next few days, but wait, someone asked if I can make a tutorial about something, but I forgot. So let me just see. Oh yeah, weapon pickup. Okay, so I will create a tutorial about weapon pickup in the next few days. Alright. This won't be a problem. So let's check. So our health bar is full right now. So let's create a button where we will lose some. Wait, the music is very loud, I think, right now. Let me... Yeah, it's okay. Like so. Alright, so I will create a button where we lose some of our health. So let's say keyboard G. Then let's say, let's get our health minus health minus, let's say 10. And now we are losing some of our health. So let's say let's create a little text next to our next to our health bar. And then let's also create a binding for it. Get health text. So get health like so, and compile save. 100, 90, 80, 30. Alright. Let's make it a little more big. Size it a little bit up, like so. Let's move it back into position and welcome literal. Oh my god, sorry, I'm too stupid to pronounce your name. Literalment. I hope that's right, but I'm sorry. So now we get our text. Yeah. Oh, we can go into minus. Okay, let's add a little animation for it. So in the most games, it's Portuguese. Yeah, I can't speak Portuguese, so I think you saw that. So let's create a second health bar under our original health bar, and let's call it the health bar. Let's call it just animation maybe, and then make it red, and it will basically be a little slower than our health bar, and will just yeah, it will be just a little slower, so it's like a animation when you get hit and when you get hurt. So let's change the tint to red. And then move it into the same spot. And then the health bar needs to be on top of the other. And now we will basically let's go to the event tick. Let's animate this health bar here. So health bar animation, set %, and we will do it like the other. We will just get the health percentage but we will add a interp node. Target, then we will get our percentage, and let's get our delta time, and let's set the interp speed to like 10 maybe. Let's see. Oh yeah, so let me just change something. So the health bar has a background that is a little darker, so let me just disable the background on the original health bar, and then the health bar animation will have this background. So background image, let's disable that. Okay, and then let's make it a little slower. 5, maybe 5 for interp. Yeah, I think I like that. And yeah, we can also go into minus right now. Try to make an FBA how to create first person animations for Unreal. Let's also change some other things. So let's say when let's animate also this text here. So let's create a binding for the color. I will say get health text color. So the health color is based on the health. So we will say when let's say let me think about this. So I want to the text needs to be more red when I'm lower, when my health is more low. So how do I do that smoothly? Do we have a select? Yeah, we have a select, but no, I don't want to add 100 entries there. So okay, let's split that and let's see. So we have our red color here. So this red color will be there when we are completely dead. So when I set red to 0, it will be black. Okay, so when everything is 1, it's white. When just red is 1, it's red. Okay. So I basically have to smoothly put these values down. so it smoothly moves this point more into the red. Okay, can I split this? Yeah, okay. Alright. So we have our color RGBA. A will always be 1 and the red will also always be 1. So let's get our health. And then it's divided by 100. And then let's put that into G and B. Wait, let me think. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. So it's white, and it will be more red. Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's easier than I thought. So let's also do this for our health bar, maybe. Tint. No, not for the background. Tint. Here. Get health text color. Let's see. No. That's not working. So let's create a binding for this one. Get health bar color, and it's basically just this. Split and then like so. Why is it? Okay. So I think it's because I used the fill color and opacity, so let's remove that. But I can't create a binding for this, so I have to do it in the event tick. So let's remove that. Let's copy that, and let's say on our health bar, I have to make it variable. Health bar set tint. Wait, I have to set the fill image tint. Set fill image, fill color and opacity maybe. Into the color, and then G and B into this value, and now maybe it will work. Why is it blue? Why is it blue? I don't understand. Oh, fill color and opacity was that. But why is it turning blue? And then it will be more dark. So I just want to set the tint here. Maybe set style. Yeah. And then let's make. And then just the fill image. Let's split that. No, let's make slate brush. And we only want our tint. Split that. G and B, and alright, so now it will turn red, but now something's wrong with the background. Okay, so let's yeah, let's just do that for our text here. So just the text will go more red, and oh yeah, then let's create a oh, how is it called, this blot on your screen when you are low, when you're hurt. So let's search for a PNG image. Screen. Transparent. Bloody screen. I want a bloody screen. So that is copyright free. Let's copy that. And let's put it into Paint. Let's scale it up. Like so. And then let's save it here. Textures. Bloody screen. And then let's import our bloody screen. Like so, and let's add it to our HUD. So let's just create an image. Let's put it into full screen. So our brush will be our bloody screen, like so. But now I want to blur this blood. So how do I just blur only the image? Let's look. Unreal Engine widget only blur one image. Let's see. So we have our blur here, background blur. But when I put it right there, Oh, wait, I have to center it. So now everything is blurred. Oh yeah, I can adjust. Ah, okay, so now I'm blurring the image, but also my view will get blurred, and I don't want that. Just so I want to have my view blurred a little bit, but not that much as this blood here. So how do I only blur this image? So I could just blur the, yeah, so let's just do it like so, and I blur it like right here. So blurs, and then I just blur it. No, not the Gaussian blur. Blur. Let's look for surface blur. Unfocus. Anyone here used Eagle 3D streaming for pixel streaming? No. I don't know. So let's re-import that and then remove our background blur. So let's re-import this image. Now it's a little more blurry, and then it's for our background blur. Let's take as variable and let's create a where's the render opacity? Here. So let's also take a variable here, and let's say blood, and then let's send the event tick for the blood. Set render opacity and then let's get our health again from our character. Get health, divide that by 100, or by the maximum health. Well, let's just say 100 right now. And then it will be, so let's oh yeah, but right now it will be so when our health is full, the blood will be, the render opacity will be 1. But I want it to be reversed. So when the health is 1, when the health is full, I don't want to show any blood, but when it's very low, I want to show some blood. So let's Okay, I don't know. Maybe a minus? No. So when I add a minus, it will also always be minus at the end. So when I divide to 100, I don't know, you can't divide to null, but I don't know. So I want to actually maybe divide. So when our health is per 100, I want the value to be 0, and when our health is 0, I want the value to be 1. I don't know right now. So I also need this for our background blur. Yeah. I have to divide it through something. Oh man, I have no idea. So I'm just trying some things right now, okay? So maybe even if it's really stupid, I'm just trying some things. Nope. So when my health is full, the value here will be 1. I think I can reverse that. Maybe Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, let's do something. Let's do something different. I don't know. Maybe like so. Now it will be the opacity will be 1. So now it will be reversed. So now there's blood on my screen, and when I get lower, there won't be any blood anymore. So I want to reverse that. How can I change a number from 1 to 0 smoothly with math? Not just -1. So wait, divided by 0. No, I know you can't divide by 0, but maybe I'm just trying. I have no idea. No, it's still. Divided by 10. But it's still. Gate. But then it will be. Yeah. It's just so simple, but I don't have an idea. Does someone have an idea? Oh man. So maybe it's just really simple, but I'm just stupid to see. You know what I mean? So now it's 1. Right here it's 1. But I want it to be converted and reverse it so that when this value is 1, I want it to be 0, and when this is 1, 0, then this will be 1. maybe a sign. No, it's still not working. For some reason, yeah. Yeah, let's do something else. So, I have no idea why it's not working right now. Let's see. So, yeah, let's do something different. So, maybe for our vehicle, let's say so maybe let's create a, how's it called, this little thing that shows, yeah, but I don't know. So this thing that shows the speed in our car, or we will let's start and let's go into our world. And let's do some level design. Yeah, the grass looks really ugly. I think I need some shadow, so let's enable shadow. Oh, it's enabled. Welcome Galaxy, what's up? So, what? There's no shadow for this grass. Let's go into our directional light. Shadow. No, there's no shadow. Yeah, I don't know. So, the grass is not looking that good right now. But this must be a problem on my side, because in another project it's looking good. So let's go into the map, to this map from the pack. By the way, MW Landscape is a really cool pack, I like it. And there's no placement here, so I bought it myself. Rocky Grassland. Yeah, so wait, let me set my game mode. Here everything looks good. Oh my god, it looks really good. So let's copy this as the, let's call it game map. And then let's move it into the map. Let's open it up. So first I want to create some roads and yeah, like a little city. So let's disable the post-process volume. So now this stupid bug is away. It's fixed. But we also can see that yeah, the post-process did a big work. I think. Yeah, so but let's disable it anyway. So yeah, I think it looks really cool. Let's test a vehicle here. Let's get our truck. Oh no, I'm stuck. Let's jump right off. Whoa, 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 okay. So yeah, but I'm still standing. Yeah. Cool. So I really like the landscape here. That's just cool. This rocky biome. And the graphic is just cool. Welcome, Dennis. So yeah, it's just looking cool. So oh my god, look at those shiny the reflection on the car and also on my revolver. That's cool. That's looking so good. So where you from? I'm from Germany. So let's start and create our own little map. So that is this landscape here. And let's flatten this one, or let's create our own. I don't know. So Nah, that's maybe. Yeah, let's just create a new one. Let's delete and let's add a new landscape. Like so. Great. So, I don't know about the bug I had later, but yeah, I'm gonna fix it later, I think. Oh, it's so laggy right now, but it's normal when you create a new landscape. Yeah. So, where's my player start? There's no player start? Let's create a new one. And then let's play and let's see if everything looks fine again. Oh yeah, I have to restart, I think. Yeah, I have to restart. Textures are just on low right now. I don't know why, but yeah. And by the way, I have still no idea about the story, so if you have an idea, just yeah, you can tell me. So, maps, game map. So for the map, I wanted to create a city and some like off-road things, but that depends on the story. Like I said, I have no idea. Okay, it's looking good, but the post-process is still a little weird. For the material, maybe. Yeah, what's the material? What's the game about? Yeah. So of course it's a shooter, but I have no story right now. So I want to create a story and a multiplayer part, but yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oh, the shadow. Let's modify the shadow. Make it more sharp. Directional light. Sharp. Yeah, now it looks better. Mm. Okay, so let's create some hills and some actual landscape. Mm. Please don't crash, please don't crash, please don't crash. Oh, thanks. So, let's just create some simple hills here. Let's play. Yeah, now we got some little hills. Right here, everything else is still flat, but here are some hills. And yeah. I think I need some stones, maybe. Some actual stones that lay around. And some trees. But right now the landscape looks good. Mm. Let's drive some cars here and let's try out some cars. Let's get our truck again. Okay, so whoa, what? That was laggy. Um, yeah. So I think that's it for today. And yeah, I think I'm going to code a little further tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you liked this live stream, and it was a little, yeah. So I think it was not that good today, but I don't know. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a new live stream, and see you in the next tutorial. So the next tutorial will be a inventory, no, a pickup system for guns or everything else. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next